Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download Google Docs on computer. So how to download Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the browser application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the browser. Just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this .6 icon. Now several options will appear. Scroll down and tap this Google Docs. Now here you will enter Google Docs. This is the Google Docs display. Next, point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-dot icon. Now several options will appear. Tap Cast Save and Share. Now several options will appear. Tap Install Page as App and this will appear. Tap Install. Now it will appear on the main screen of the computer. You can see it. So that's it, tutorial how to download Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.